everyone, welcome to a new video. Let's begin with our book Knowledge World, a course book of general knowledge for class 6 by Seraphic Era Publications. So today children, we'll begin with a new chapter, and that is chapter number 10, Men of Science. Now in this chapter, we are going to read certain work done by these scientists, and with respective to those hints, we will write the name of that particular scientist in the given space below. So let's begin with the exercise. So the first hint given for the first question is that the first A part is he made important contributions in the field of electrodynamics. He wrote a book called Theorie des Phénomènes Electrodynamiques in 1826. Then C is he worked on refraction of light. D, he invented the astatic needle, and the person or the scientist whom they are talking about is André Marie Ampère. Next is the second one. He discovered the principle related to water or liquid displacement. He shouted Eureka, Eureka. He involved the principle of levers, and he also invented the water screw. And the name of the scientist is Archimedes. Third we have is he gave the fundamental law of chemistry. He also worked on the thermal expansion. His law was published in General de Physique and demonstrated that the water is a compound which is made up of hydrogen and oxygen. So, who did this all? He was Antoine Lavoisier. The fourth one given over here on this page is he synthesized indigo. He stated the chemical nature of triphenyl methane. He synthesized uric acid, and he also received the Nobel Prize in 1905. And the name for this person is Adolf van Baker. Let's move to the fifth one. The fifth one given over here is he invented a harmonic telegraph. He invented the workable telephone, he invented the gramophone, and he invented photophone for the deaf. And the name of the scientist is Alexander Graham Bell. Then the next, that is the sixth one, is he gave the theory of natural selection. He published a book called The Origin of Species. He worked on variation, and he worked on pollination also. And the name of the scientist is Charles Darwin. Then on the next page, they have given another question which says, complete the table by writing the names of the inventors with the help of the help desk. There are three columns given over here. In the first column, they have mentioned about the years of their invention. Then second is the column for the invention, what they have invented, and name of the scientists or the inventors who have invented these things. So let's begin with it. Let's begin with the first year. It is 1450, and the invention was printing press, and the inventor is Johannes Gutenberg. Then next is 1642 calculating machine, and it was invented by Blaise Pascal. Third year is 1657. A pendulum clock was invented in this year by Christian Huygens. Next is 1644 barometer, and this was invented by Evangelista Torricelli. Then fifth, 1712 steam engine, with the one with the piston, and it was invented by Thomas Newcomen. 1725 a clock was invented, a mechanical clock. It was invented by Ising. 1765 another steam engine with the condenser was invented by James Watt. Then in 1769, spinning frame was invented by Richard Arkwright. Next we have is 1783, a hot air balloon was invented by Joseph and Jacques Montgolfier. The last, 1807, steamboat, and it was invented by Robert Fulton. So these are the years along with their various inventors and inventors with their inventions. So this was all about the science trivia. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Until then, take care and goodbye.